Murugamiriri munene wa Kambuni iyo Bob Colimol oigite moete ikinyaria kurugamia aruti wira acio niguo guthinga mĩenya ya hathara iria kambuni iyo irathie. Kambuni ya Safaricom yambagiriria mwaka wayo wa mbeca mweri wa kana ukarikiriria mweri wa gatatu mwaka mweru, na kuringana na anyiti itemi kambuni ino nicemanitie na mathina matiganite ukiringithanio na mwaka muthiru wa mbeca.
For the first time, businesses are realizing that they need to step up to the table because the SDGs cannot be achieved without a profit. That's the first thing.
On network quality, our network is fundamental to our business. It's an essential part of our business because all the services we provide to our customers are delivered through our network.
Mathina maria kambuni ino icemanitie namo ni wici wa mbeca, wici wa M-pesa kuhitukira mitabo na miaririe mirutire-ini ya wira.
You know, men behave in a certain way. There are a lot of unconscious biases in the workplace. The language could be inappropriate for, I don't mean using bad language.
Gukiri uguo magatacukia ikinya ria kubuta aruti wira 52 niguo guthinga mĩenya ya mathina maria maramagumira.
Our commercial and profit goals would not be achieved.
Moigite mathina maya ni makoretwo makiguciriria maitho ma honge iria manyitanagira nacio guku na nja wa bururi.
If we do not run our business in an ethical, transparent and accountable manner, we're likely to face legal and reputational risks as well as be disadvantaged by eroded employee and investor trust and confidence.
Kolimo oigite mwaka wa 2016 na 2017 baita ya Safaricom ikurukite nginya ciringi mbirioni 45.
People who say that we can do it because we make a lot of money, it's actually the other way around. We make a good return for our shareholders because we do this stuff, not the other way around.
Onakuri uguo gicunjĩ kiria marutaga o mwaka kuri ruhonge-ini rwa ukinyaniria CA ni githiĩte thĩ nginya gicunjĩ kia 65 harĩ 100. Gicunjĩ kiu kirutagwo kuringana na uria kambuni ithondekete baita. Ngiribotera Inoro TV, njitagwo Wanjiku wa Kimani.